2 people. So in this case, it's going to be my work, and she's going to help me out with it. Basically, the first step you do is you pop this off. All it is, if you look, is it just clips. It just clips on there, just to make it more aesthetic looking. The actual bones of it are right here. It's 2 different levers that once you put them in there, they tension the wall, so you don't have a lot of slack in it. It's actually just a Delrin, which is like a super hard plastic, basically, material that pops out and secures them. And it's the same way along every one of them. The next step we're going to grab Andrea for is basically press it in and push it. And the whole panel itself, the top panel, lifts out. This one's tempered glass, it's completely clear. We also do a frosted glass finish and a whiteboard finish, which you don't see here. All these can be written on with a whiteboard marker, but the whiteboard finish is usually easier to see than clear glass. This is tempered glass, so if it shatters, it's safe as opposed to cutting you or whatever. And then try not to get them away. This one's a little hard to do because this thing's in my way, but the bottom panel will actually pop out as well. You just lift it out like that, so that way you can mix and match. At our office, we do a lot of frosted on the bottom, but clear, like you see here. You can do full clear. Our showroom has full clear, just so you can see our other products through the glass. You can do full frosted, you can do whiteboard, you can do any mix of them. So it's kind of, the unlimited flexibility behind it is what we go for. You can anchor it to the ceiling, not the ceiling, but a lower ceiling, or you can anchor it to the wall. So if you have existing drywall and you're trying to put in, like, say, a conference space or an office, just anchor it to the wall. It's just 2 drywall bolts through a piece that mounts on top of this guy right here, and it's easy. That one you literally just pop off. So
Great.
Anything else?
So it's pretty quick to reconfigure in general.
Absolutely. Yep.
Great.
And then if you wanted to go all the way down, I don't really want to, but you just pop these guys out. So what it is, like I said, it's that Delrin bolt. It goes up, and once it's up, it just snaps into place and tensions.
Great.
That guy lifts out, and it just comes in holes. It's dead simple. So.